A very good morning. It's Mark here. Friday, November the 21st, going on 8 a.m. Eastern. That's going on 1 p.m. GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's have a look how the markets are shaping up. US dollar index started strong, certainly. You can see all the way up resistance 132. That's matching yesterday's high as well. But you can see the wick left behind. It's given up those gains. And now going into the US Open, very small green candlestick. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you see the strong start in the European session, but certainly a big red candlestick now in the hour before the US session opens up. We'll see whether sellers do continue with this and look down at support, sitting at 99.93, and US dollar give up those gains, or if US dollar strength does continue and above that 132 level, still sitting above that all important 100 level for now. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. 1.5 hours till Wall Street opens up. So we're looking at the futures market where that strong sell-off across the board in the S&P, certainly yesterday, that sell-off did continue um, in the futures market, but you can see buyers have stepped in. I've got support at 6,523. I've got resistance at 6,594. Buyers looking to get back up to that 6,600 level, recoup some of the losses from yesterday. Again, we'll see with the US session getting underway and then Wall Street opening up, whether buyers do step in and look to reverse yesterday's losses, or if we're going to see a continuation of the sell-off that we saw yesterday and sellers look down at this support level. Gold started weak. You can see been pretty flat this whole week, hanging around that 6,050 level. A sell-off earlier in the Asian European session. There's the wickets left behind and support at 4,022, matching these previous attempts you can see earlier from the 17th and the 18th of November. Buyers have stepped in and looking back up at resistance for now at 4,078. Buyers will be looking to erase this lower highs like we've seen now going on the third day, get back above the 4,100 level. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you see the initial sell-off and gold fighting its way back, looking to get back above current intraday resistance level. As we see US dollar being started strong and being sold off, so we're seeing the inverse relationship. Gold started off being sold off and now looks like demand and gold recouping those losses. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Also a turnaround. We're seeing a turnaround in all of the assets that we've been looking at from the Asian European session now that the US session is getting underway. Certainly attempted reversal and turnaround so far. Brent oil, same thing, red candlestick initially. There you can see the wick it's left behind, adding to the whole week's sell-off and losses. I've got support at 61.27, broke below that 63 level, maintained below. Well, couldn't maintain because there's the wick. Buyers did step in at support at 61.27, and buyers now looking up at the 62.47 resistance level. You'll see the fight back on the hourly. There you see it in the last 2 hours. Buyers did step in at the support and looking up here at the 62.47, looking back up at the 63 level on the upside. And then we've got Bitcoin. Such a strong downtrend, strong sell-off yesterday. Again, today, resistance at 87,500, 87.4, and support at 80.9, just under 81,000. Buyers have stepped in If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see buyers did step in this previous hour, uh, just below that 81,000, 80,500. It went as low and then the buyers did step in even higher than the previous high. A little bit of a bullish engulfing look to this candlestick and to the chart right now. Buyers will want to get above this 83,000, get back up to 84,000 or higher, continue what they started in this last hour. Sellers, of course, will be looking to come back down below the 80,000 and continue with the downtrend. Bear in mind, oversold signals definitely, maybe some profit taking entering the picture right now after the strong sell-off. We'll see once the US session is underway whether buyers can maintain and if there is a fight back from Bitcoin. Good trading. Keep that discipline. I'll see you at the end of the session.